Hello Benidorm lovers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to my video. I'm Yona Makram, I live in Benidorm, Spain. Currently it's 5 p.m, the rain has stopped, and earlier I was walking down Levante beachfront and I saw this unusual phenomenon. There's a river right on the beach, like dividing the sand into two. You can check out my latest video. And here we are 5 hours later. The sun is back out, there's no flood, the land is completely dry, only some puddles on the ground. I think the people can't wait to get out from their nest to enjoy this moment. We are going down the yellow brick road after the big storm.
It's 36 hours and there's no sign of it.
Yeah. Crazy. It's just some puddles, but you won't believe it's been raining whole day and night. So yeah, welcome to Benidorm, where the sun is always there. Look at this, different world. Wow, people are already gathering here.
The sun came again already.
Yeah. So if you're wondering what to bring, just always pack sun cream to go to Benidorm, because you'll never know. The sun will always come out. No matter how bad the weather forecast says, it's gotta be sun somewhere. So these people waste no time. They're on holiday. Once the sun came out, it's time for the sun and food. Okay, so you've seen it's back to normal now, back to Benidorm that I know. Rain in Benidorm? What rain? Ever seen a vending machine selling these burgers? Nuggets. Alright. Where's the flood? Where's the rain? It's Benidorm. It's always sunny in Benidorm. Here we are in Levante beachfront. The sand is a bit wet, but like the promenade and the benches are dry as could be. Stannis dinner.
And then,
Hello Benidorm lovers, it's Yona Makram. I live in Benidorm, Spain, and today is the second rainy day. And I'm in the Levante beachfront, and I saw that thing, that water came out from nowhere, dividing the sand in the Levante beach into like a waterfall or stream of river coming out of nowhere. So I hope rain stops soon, because this is not fun at all. This is wet and cold, nothing to do. So now we're gonna have dinner. If you missed my last video about the big river on Levante beach, check out my channel. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video. Kisses from Benidorm with love.